To change the ink roller on your Meto gun, click the trigger and this section pops out, and then you keep this coming out further until it clicks into place, and then you can let go of the trigger. And then this little guy slides off like that. And then what you can do is squeeze that and it will drop. Then you get your new ink roller and you slice the backing paper. Until we do that, like that. And these ones click onto the ends like this. Click on each end, take the roller out, and then slide this back on, and then just click it in, and that's it.